This is the SGC7050WF bird feeder from SpyGadgets.com. At $499, this is a complete self-contained camera system. This bird feeder outdoor camera uses your local Wi-Fi and will save videos up to the cloud. The SG Home app lets you view the camera live and access the cloud recordings from your smart device. A cloud subscription is required, starting at $7.99 a month. Battery operated, this hidden camera is perfect for surveillance in your backyard. This camera has no onboard recording, so if something happens to your camera, you will still have the recordings safe on the cloud. Charge the battery from a USB port on your PC with the included cable. The SG7050WF bird feeder from SpyGadgets.com.